It's Chainsaw Man Tuesday, and I'm beginning to wonder, is there ever going to be a bad episode? I'm really not sure, because it's been pretty consistently great since episode 1. But this is episode 10, and the season is almost over. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but let's watch episode 10, Bruised and Battered. Wait. Oh, that's Aki. Yo, how the tables have turned. He's just eating all the apples. Denji was in the hospital, and Aki was peeling apples for him. Dude. No, I think you did run, huh? I love their crew. I don't know any of their names except Kobani. So that shrimp, Kobani, and the glasses dude, accurate. Yeah, okay. What? What? Denji. Give him. Give him to him. Aw, Denji. I don't know. But question, what? 2 years? That's not fair. Dude, and it didn't even do much. That sucks. I'm like, really? Oh wait, that's some symbolism. Oh, of course. I thought this was like, oh, this is gonna light a fire in him. No, it just got sad. I think he's gonna quit smoking now or something. He can't touch another cigarette again. Ah. Oh. Oh, Denji. Stop. Oh.
大勢仕事仲間が死んだらしいし、俺は全然泣けねえんだけど。ポチタが死んだ時は悲しかったな。でも姫の死んでも。
Because he didn't really have much of an emotional connection with her.
友達になろうっつってくれた人なのに、俺ひどくね。
Yeah, but
パワーが死んだら泣けるか。
I don't know about that. Maybe, but maybe eventually. I think so. Really? He doesn't have anybody he would cry for. Really? Maybe. Gosh, I don't know. I feel Denji with this too. I feel his confusion. Wow. Look at that character progression. Yo, come see him later, man. Yeah, they are. To protect Denji? Facts. Doing what, huh? That's a little suspicious. Just saying. Wait, this is... He's gonna be important, isn't he? Respect the peace, man. Do you not see him grieving? Wait, what?
敵に復讐したいか。復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね。
Ooh. Power, look at them. Yo. He wanted to make sure that their freaking priorities are on straight, huh? Okay, you passed.
100点だ。
You passed.
お前たち
Power. Whoa, this is gonna be fun, guys. Big hug. Okay. Okay. That's like speaking Denji's language, I think. What? This is how he shows affection, guys. Yeah. Bro, what? What the hell? Show them their place.
最強のデビルハンターだ。最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強なわけだから。
Oh.
俺を倒せるようになるまで。俺は
You'll
お前たちを
Oh. Really? Y'all better mother freaking run. This is gonna be fun. I love when they work as a team. Denji. Denji and Power. What the hell? Okay, it's okay, but this is Denji we're talking about. Chainsaw it up, my dude. What you doing? Whoa, whoa, okay, relax, alright. He did it through his head! His head! Whoa. Her neck? What? Her oh! Brother. Immortal? No way. He's actually immortal? Oh, these are his new toys? Facts! I'm ready. I'm so ready. Gon! Can he do it? What? He can't? What?
ほら出てけえへんやろ
Aki!
ヤクマと契約して得意化に貢献してもらわなあかんみたいです。
公安やめて残りの人生楽しむか公安続けて地獄を見るか
He's not gonna leave.
家族を
He can't leave.
バディを殺したやつも
Oh, his partner is still out there?
のになんでやめれるんですか
Look at his face. He's ready. Come on, Agi, show him.
帰りますわ
I'm so ready.
書類
I can't believe he only has 2 years left, guys.
にはまともなやつはいいひんから気をつけろ
I knew it! His crazy was buried deep inside, but he's crazy. He's just not like Denji, who's openly crazy. But he got his screw loose deep inside. I freaking knew it. I freaking knew it. Couldn't fool me, huh?
女性のお客さん来てますよじゃごゆっくり
Who? Who? Kobani, Kobani. Who the hell? Is it Kobani with her cute little outfit? What? What? Himeno? Himeno? Is it her? What? 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 That was dirty. That was foul. He didn't even chainsaw it up. Did he? Dude, literally, Denji and Power is the best duo. Like, it's awesome. What the? What the hell was that? Is he back? Did the Denji get
何回殺された
situated? Now they have to walk home.
あのじじい強すぎじゃ。
こんな生活続いたらマジで楽しくない
Facts. You guys just can't leave. If you leave, you guys are dead. All you guys have is each other when you think about it. This is kind of beautiful.
俺たちおもちゃ扱いしやがってよどんどんマジでムカついて
Makima was treating you like a dog and you didn't have any complaints.
戦えばいいんじゃ。
Hell yeah.
俺も最近めちゃくちゃ憧れてたぜ漫画とかの頭いいキャラみてえに戦えた
I'm so ready. They're gonna use strategy? Yeah. This is gonna be fun. Now, can we get back to the freaking Aki scene, please? Because I want to know who that was in the hospital, please. Who's in the hospital? Come on. Don't delay it even more. Oh, he's coming after them. The glasses! Glasses supremacy! Yo, this is the best thing ever. Oh. Cerebral warfare. I'm so ready. Through the door! Through the door! Through the freaking... Nice. What? He predicted that? Look how cool she looks! Wow. Come on. He's not gonna fall for that one. This is too obvious. Yo, what the hell? He's punching? Blood, technically. That's... Yo, that's too obvious. That's not using your brain, Denji. But you're getting there. They took out the glasses. It's over. It's over. Oh. Come on, Power. Anything else? You still got your glasses on? Yeah, you gotta defend yourself, Denji. Gotta anticipate others' attacks. Facts. You kinda are. I think he was just proud. Really? Really? You have to do him like that, man? That's kinda messed up, man. Just leave him be, please. Well, Power should get it too. It's not right. Whoa. I don't know who he saw in the freaking hospital. I can't believe that they're skipping that. They're doing us dirty. What is he gonna pick? Cause I like Gon. I can't believe he's just gonna freaking get rid of Gon. I wanna know, please. Please. I'm curious. Why can't it be my business, okay? Brother, what? What? Too soon. What? It's a confession. I think she's gonna say that is Dad feeling any better? Is this my job pays pretty well, so don't worry about sending food or anything. Dad's been messaging me lately. I appreciate his concern, but I'm more worried about him. Is he taking his meds? I forced Aki to get his ears pierced. Staying in public safety. How do I get Aki to quit? Wait the frick. Oh, this is something. I brought it up, but he just brushed it off. Is this her way of telling him to quit? I think he's feeling regret. I think he realizes Himeno wanted to leave, but she stayed for him. Aki is just way too deep into this. Are you for real? Aki has to give up more now? Yeah, hopefully it's a bargain. Yo, what the hell? It's an eyeball just staring back at you. That's it? Wait, this looks like a really dope ending. Wait, this looks beautiful. Because he's a dog. No, I don't want to see freaking Denki right now, and I want to see Denji. Lollipop. This is actually beautiful. Wow. That was so nice to the beat. So we started off the episode with Aki in the hospital, and it was kind of like the reverse of when Denji was in the hospital, but this time Power was with them. I don't really know what the apples are supposed to symbolize, but I overthink everything. But it was just really interesting to see the apples be reintroduced in the hospital scene. But like, we are seeing something with Denji, and I think that's really important. He kind of realized that he has nobody he would cry for. Even Pochita, he was pretty sad. I mean, he grew up with that devil. They were all they had. And he was sad. He's beginning to realize that, like, listen, he does like Makima. He would be pretty sad, but he could get on with his life in about 3 days, like nothing ever really happened, you know? Compared to his life before, he never had freaking 3 meals a day, bath time, a house, and he's pretty content with that. But he's starting to realize that, man, maybe I want things that other people have. Maybe an emotional connection is really what he wants. He wants like a genuine friend. He wants somebody he cares for, and the same to him. I think the first time he's gonna cry is with Aki, because Aki's gonna die in 2 years. We learned that today. That's so crazy and sad. I don't want Aki to leave because Aki's my favorite character right now, and I freaking love him, man. But he's getting another devil contract and he has to sacrifice something. I don't know what's gonna happen. It was just this eyeball looking back at him. I have no idea. But he does need to replace his devil contract, and I don't know, why the hell is Kon gone? I don't want Kon to just leave. That's Aki. That's Aki. That's kind of sad. Also, there's this new teacher in town training Power and Denji. And I mean, the purpose of that is that he's supposed to be the strongest devil hunter. So if a devil kills the strongest devil hunter, they'll become the strongest devil, right? Seems simple enough. That was so dope. Seeing the glasses scene, I'm all for freaking glasses supremacy, but that was actually amazing. I loved it. They were trying to use strategy, and that's good. That's some improvement, actually. So now they're not going to just fight with pure brute strength or whatever. They're going to use some strategy. They're going to use some of their thinking box to figure out how they're going to defeat the devils. And that includes their teacher. So, who is not a devil, but he's a devil hunter. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be so fun. And I just learned that Denji is immortal, like actually immortal. I didn't know that. That's crazy. I don't know. That's Mabi. Well, that means that the katana guy is probably immortal too then. Oh my gosh, all the hybrids are immortal? Oh. And Power is almost immortal. I don't know what that means. How could you be almost immortal? Actually, I kind of get it, because the way she freaking is. I wonder why she ran off, though. She be using excuses, but that was never really explained. All right, anyways, I want to see what's happening in the next episode. There's way more to see. We're going to see freaking Aki's new contract. Yeah. Aki's new contract. So that's going to be introduced, and then they're also going to be finding ways to defeat the Devil Hunter. Other than that, I'm not really sure what's going to happen. But yeah, there's only 2 more episodes, or 3 more episodes, I'm guessing. So I don't know how they're going to end the season finale. But it's just so crazy that it's like almost over. Wow. This was a brilliant freaking show. And I'm glad I got to witness it. Thank you guys so much for freaking watching. I'm gonna edit this right now. Full version's on Patreon. Thank you. Melon out.